Nilaya by Asian Paints and Pepperfry.com present The Great Indian Home Makeover, where we make your dream home come true.
The Great Indian Home Makeover is the first of its kind design show where we redesign one of the living spaces in your home over a span of 48 hours. Presented by Nilaya by Asian Paints and Pepperfry.com.
Wow.
It's my room.
Hosted by the glamorous actress extraordinaire, Soha Ali Khan. And the talented designer, Anjali Modi.
Mumbai is a city of dreams, a place to where people flock from all over the country, a place of promise, a place of opportunity, and a place for new beginnings. But this wasn't always the case for Sagarika, who moved to Mumbai 3 years ago to get married. Nilaya by Asian Paints and Pepperfry.com present The Great Indian Home Makeover, where we make your dream home come true.
The room that you would be doing for us is a bedroom, which is a bedroom cum study. My name is Sagarika. I work as a creative director, heading the design team with a digital advertising agency called The Glitch. And I have been a graphic designer all my life and studied design for 4 years, did a bachelor's of design from NIFT, Delhi. So I'm basically from Delhi, now living, working in Mumbai since last 4 years. Well, I moved to Mumbai because I got married to a boy from Bombay. It was an arranged marriage, so did not really have much of an option. I moved to Mumbai. I've been married a little less than 4 years. We have been going through the divorce since last year, 2015, August. It's not really a choice. Nobody gets married to divorce. No girl, no man. Everybody wants that happily ever after. Everybody signs up for that. But there is something called as compromise. Two people build a relationship together every day. And here it was me versus these three people. You know, I was pleasing them every day, doing everything, changing myself. They did not like me stepping out, I stopped stepping out. They did not like me going out to work, I stopped doing that. They wanted me to pay up every month a certain amount of money, I did that. I did everything. This man would just be nice to me only when I would be able to give him a nice fat check. I was a mom at 25. So I was there, stuck to him, so that the child gets a father. But then eventually, the child was seeing a very distorted, twisted version of his own mother. Which is why I stepped out of the marriage, to show that the whole idea, the whole ideals my parents raised me with, the idea of freedom of expression, to speak out against wrong, to speak out if anything is happening to someone else, to speak for change, to speak our minds. That's why they educated us, right? To be able to identify the wrongs in this world. I mean, for 4 continuous years, and it's probably not just me, I was made to believe I'm an unattractive woman, that I'm useless, that I'm not good enough. And I started believing it. My son, Rudro, he's a no crayons boy. Although I would love him to be, he is totally opposite of me, but he's also, the symbol of, he stands for everything that's good in me, the best in me. And both of us went through hell together, and we survived. Rudro's favorite story is Farmer Fred's Tractor Troubles, where Farmer Fred wakes up one morning and turns the ignition on his old rickety tractor and sees that it's not working anymore. So he decides maybe it's the dump yard for the tractor. So he tries to tow his tractor on his pickup truck, and they decide to take it all the way to the dump yard, but then the tow breaks and he realizes, okay, maybe he needs to oil up the tractor's engine. So he gives the tractor a nice wash. All these farm animals looking at what Farmer Fred is doing with the tractor, and Farmer Fred gives it a nice wash, gives it a paint, puts engine oil, and turns the tractor to almost new. And then he decides that, oh, maybe some years are left into this old beauty. So the tractor does not go to the dump yard, and Farmer Fred keeps the tractor. Definitely, I am the tractor. I am the red tractor in that story, yeah. And definitely, he is Farmer Fred. Yeah, Rudro plays that role who inspired me to put myself together again, to create myself again. This house, for me, it's my palace. The moment I stepped into this house, there was like strong breeze running from this corner to that, and it was magical. It represented who I was, who I had become and made myself into. The room that you would be doing for us is a bedroom, which is a bedroom cum study. Also an interesting place where I spend a lot of time with my son. We read out stories, we play, I work. That room is joy.
Hi Shadrika.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Thank you for allowing us into your home. It's a beautiful space.
Thank you.
So, home meant something different for you before.
Definitely.
It means something new for you now, something positive.
Yes.
So, what would you like this new home to have?
Because a lot of it is surrounding Rudro, my son. So, yes, I would like it to be joyful. I would like it to be a very cheerful space. It has to have a lot of positivity.
Okay. Now, when we looked at this space, it was a very big challenge because we had to create a space that was for a mother and a son. Two contrasting personalities. So what we need to do is to create a room that has an essence of both mother and son. Something that is warm, inviting, something that's full of love, has a lot of good energy, and also something that Sagarika can use as a workspace. I think the focal point of the space is the window.
Yes.
You know, it's bringing a lot of positive energy into
Yes.
the space. It's bringing the sun.
True.
So I'm glad that you find that being an important aspect as well. Now, since we're dealing with such a small space, what I was thinking is, you know, instead of highlighting a wall and bringing all the attention to that one area,
True.
let's use the four walls as one uniform color.
Okay.
So it gives you kind of a singular experience. So you'll be spending a lot of time here by yourself, working.
Yes.
And also a lot of time with Rudra.
With him,
Right?
yes.
So it has to be a space that you can spend a lot of time in.
Definitely.
Without it wearing you down. Or
Exactly.
actually giving you more energy.
True,
Right?
true.
Great. So what I was thinking is, since all the light is coming in from here, what I'd like to do is give you a nice desk to work
Okay.
on, a comfortable space
Yes.
where you can kind of spread out with your
Right.
things and, you know, work for extended hours.
Right.
I also want to add a sofa cum bed, you know, that can double up as a sofa in the day and then that can turn into a bed at night for Rudra.
Great,
So
great.
it's not taking up too much space, but it's doing what it has to.
Exactly.
Multi-purpose almost, right?
Definitely.
I have a feeling that you're going to need a lot of storage.
Yes.
So I
of
want to
course.
use the walls, maybe behind you here, a little behind me.
Okay.
to give you a bookshelf that also acts as a storage, but in an elegant way. Not something that's heavy, not something that is bulky or tacky, you know. So warm, solid wood furniture.
Okay.
I'm finding the Woodsworth collection of Pepperfry working really well here because it's elegant, it's sturdy,
Great.
but it's still giving you a sense of warmth into the space.
Okay.
I also think because you're in media and you have this really lively personality that I see, I want to use Bohemiana's Pepperfry collection.
Wow.
That is kind of quirky but trendy almost,
Right.
So it'll appeal to your senses, it'll also appeal to Rudra's senses.
Great,
I think
great.
it might work really well for this space.
Definitely.
So what do you feel about that?
Great. Sounds fun. Sounds like a lot of fun, in fact. Yeah.
I think I'm getting a vibe of what you're really looking for,
Of course.
Now, I hear that you're in media.
Yes.
So that requires you to be really creative.
Yes.
It requires you to be constantly on your feet, think of new ways of kind of,
New ideas.
innovation,
All
right?
the time. All the time.
So I'm thinking of maybe putting an entire wall here of frames with positive quotes, inspirational quotes, but that are still quirky in that
Yes.
sense. So you look at it and it kind of brings a smile on your face.
Yes.
And I was thinking of maybe adding a little bit of color to appeal to Rudra's, kind of young,
Yes.
happening personality. Like
Yes.
he's going to grow up in this room, at least.
Yes,
I
it'll
hope
be a
he will,
boys'
right?
room eventually.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we don't want it to be too feminine, but we want it to be something that appeals to both of you.
Definitely.
Becomes like a conversation point, something that he doesn't get bored of, something that energizes you on a daily basis.
Of
So
course, of course.
that's what I'm thinking, right?
Sounds
Taking over
great.
this entire wall.
Sounds fun.
I'm going to bring in the Asian Paints Easy Color Home Solutions experts, and they're going to get right to it.
Okay.
And I think it's going to be great.
Sounds good.
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Sounds fun. Yeah.
Welcome back to Pepperfry.com and Nilaya by Asian Paints present the Great Indian Home Makeover. What we like to do in a space that is really small is to make sure that there isn't a single wall that's highlighted with a color that brings a focal point to that space. It's important to have all the four walls have the same color to give a singular experience that reflects the same vibe from any part of the room. That is crucial. We use the Easy Color Home Solutions by Asian Paints. And we got them to come in, and they did, just what we wanted. It's important to have all the four walls have the same color to give a singular experience. Now, when it came to the furniture, Pepperfry.com has a fabulous range of solid wood furniture that we wanted to use for Shagarika's space. The Pepperfry Woodsworth collection worked perfectly because it's warm, it's inviting, and it's very practical in a lot of ways, right? So we gave her 2 study desks that made an L shape in her space. We gave her a nice, comfortable, ergonomic chair because we want her to spend as much time as she wants by the desk. We gave her a sofa cum bed that is perfect for using in the day, and it's perfect for a cozy nap at night as well. So multi-utilitarian in that sense. To tap into Sagarika's media personality, I wanted to give her a wall that showed the energy that she brought into every space. So we brought in a few frames with inspirational quotes, with positive sayings that basically brought a smile to her face. And we added a pop of color to show Rudra's growing personality and to liven up the space.
Welcome to your surprise.
When I opened the door, I expected a fabulous room.
Welcome back to pepperfry.com and Nilaya by Asian Paints present the Great Indian Home Makeover. Soha, why don't you come get comfortable?
Lovely.
What do you think?
I think it's beautiful. I like this room.
It's actually a multi-purpose space. Sagarika is going to use it as her workspace and also envision this space as her son's bedroom eventually. So a
lovely.
multi-purpose room.
And I love these. What's
You
happening
know,
here?
Sagarika is really a vivacious person. She has a lot of energy, she's very positive. So I wanted to give her a wall that kind of, inspires her on a regular basis, makes her smile
Yeah.
while she's sitting at work.
Yeah. I think you've done a beautiful job with it, and it really reflects that.
I'm going to call them in and let's see how it goes. Please. Welcome to your surprise.
When I opened the door, I expected a fabulous room, but then there was Soha.
Surprise!
Wonderful. I could not have expected more. She was great. Like I said, been a big fan of her work, and it was just so amazing to see like a real life princess in my palace.
What is this room making you feel?
It's brilliant. I can see him, he's gonna be jumping here, then I'm gonna be working, and he's going, Mama, this, Mama, this. Mama, can I draw with you?
People work their whole lives to earn property in a city like Mumbai, so congratulations for that.
But now I have to live up to this now, that's the catch. I have to be able to, the entire house has to be able to live up to this
And
now.
you will,
I will.
It's a very simple space,
So I'm learning from this, I've learned a lot, like how, you can totally transform a space. Yeah.
Do you want to come and try out your desk? Do you want to sit here?
Oh.
Come on. Come on.
My favorite corner is the L-shaped table. It's something I've seen other artists whom I've worshipped all my life work on, and it's just something I've always seen with other artists, but it just added that extra edge. Like I never knew how to put it all together, but it looks amazing. This is like an artist's dream. This is like a graphic designer's planet like you've created. Is just so perfect, People love to work with lots of papers. I work with lots of papers and pencils.
I think she
and
likes it. I chose to have the walls neutral because then you can add to this room as well. There's still plenty of, sort of open
To
spaces.
play.
Yeah,
Yeah,
blankness on the walls because the idea is for you to make it your own and create your own memories as well.
So brilliant. So pretty. I could not. This is something I did not imagine this at all.
Wish you all the best.
So cool. Thank
All
you.
the best, but please enjoy the room and
Yes.
as Anjali said, make your memories and thank you for inviting us into your home.
It's been a dream. It's so amazing. Yeah.
Bye, Sagarika. We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Enjoy
Thank
the
you
home.
so much.
And say hi to Rudra.
Yes.
All right. Bye.
All right. Bye. The room was fabulous. It was so me, but it was like this different planet altogether. I could not even believe that I owned this place, but yet like it was like an extension of my own personality. And I mean, I think Anjali totally nailed it. Like, she got it. She just got me right. The Pepperfry Woodsworth collection, I think, kind of shows the seriousness I have towards my job, like the kind of devotion, you know, I have towards my work. I think the Bohemiana collection had a lot of fun, the colors, like, it's probably gonna be a constant reminder to me of not to forget who I really am. The Nilaya by Asian Paints collection totally changed the feel of my room. It made it look so premium.
So when you have a really small space and you want to use it in a working environment, I would say firstly use a lot of mirrors. It brings in a lot of light in, it gives the illusion of volume, and it makes the room seem bigger than it actually is. Completely avoid using heavy furniture. Use solid wood furniture that again brings in a lot of warmth. Bring in storage that is practical, that isn't too high maintenance, something that's light, that isn't too bulky, and you know, that's completely user friendly in the sense that it can be used in multiple ways. I would also suggest not using too many colors in the solid wood furniture. Bring in the colors with accessories, with decor, with curtains, small wall art, you know, that basically adds a lot of personality to the room. That's the way I would go.
To shop the look, go to pepperfry.com. All of the furniture, the accessories, the Nilaya by Asian Paints wallpaper can turn your room into brand new with just the click of a button.
In terms of acting, of course, if I have some rehearsals or anything, it really helps to have a larger space like the hall that we have.
Vivan and I do come into the category of double income, no kids.
Very, very excited that you got Pepperfry, you got Asian Paints involved.
Don't do any other homes. Just do all the separate rooms of Patodi. How's that?